Need to fix Spotify pausing on its own? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to move into cellular. Make sure that the cellular data is turned on. Once you've toggled on the cellular data, you need to scroll down and search for Spotify. Make sure that the cellular data for Spotify is turned on. After that, try heading over to your Spotify. Once you're inside the Spotify, close the application and then reopen it. It will refresh the application. Sometimes refreshing the app might also fix the issue. Now the next thing you want to do is move into App Store. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for Spotify. Click on this app. If the application is not up to date, then click on Update and update the app. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.